would look maybe here. With Panasonic boxy. I should wear my hat, honey, right?
Yeah, you should.
Oh, I need. Let me go back.
Hey guys.
Hey, so ito kanzong ani he.
When my what?
So, take an table mo. Rem pom mai hey. Lai an khopui lai. An khopui lian lai ve nia main downtown. Mi pa te poi ni ko anok mai. Me chia la sexy em lan tam. Karma kitchen.
Can we go here?
So nghe này chắc có số đâu cắt phần đồ lẻ cắt phải anh thích cái nhà thì mojito
Mojo.
các phần đồ lại boy em
So, there is a chew that's going on. I'm going to squeeze the chair.
Kan suay na kan kalna turso. Enjoy lang pa nga.
Right? Oh.
Hey, it's on the same.
Did we walk by? We must have walked by.
Wednesday I performed on a hey. I performed the tour. The stand and the
So let's just go. Let's just go and walk by it.
Make everything into
Hey, kan solo thenge Newcastle England kan oma hey kan to ay tour. Abahan Greek John Greek John. You're hiding.
It's got late.
I feel little.
Handsome boy.
Yeah.
His camera.
Oh, he's too shy, right?
Oh, come on, son. Am I wrong? Isn't it down here and turn left?
Yeah, it's to the left and left. She said go through the alley. It's over on the left.
Okay, weekend ni boga thalai no man van ti em. Khabat ma se hot load in chai pang tak ten tam taxi. Han.
How's that weird looking? Should be up there on the left.
Cắn cái gói quay mấy đi. Okay. What do you think?
Wow. Oh
So wow.
Newcastle at night on a Saturday night. Crazy.
Yeah, Kalai. à vợ suốt chúng lẹ vợ tiêu chúng con nào áo quà tiêu cả lầu tiêu bỏ hết ui chặt ghê đấy giờ cái chỗ US ạ anh đi đâu đây hả the Duke of Wellington. And you know what surprised me?
What's that?
You know what surprised me? There are people who are older that are still coming up.
Yeah, I saw some people look like in their 40s.
Yeah.
And they're drunk.
So. Upa deuh pun rangkal. Newcastle tu zan tu pui ne ne. Đây hi ang lawan di buka college university om na di buka. Apui sa kap nai.
The reason we're laughing is we're still alive. That's why we think it's funny. That's stupid. It's like you see videos online by the Taliban guys, the ISIS guys, set up with IEDs to get our phones. And what happens? They mess it up. God's on our side.
And
Oh, what you do? Law. Ooh, give a little commentary for it. Nice. And what's your friend? No. Not the right answer. Your correct answer is I don't want any to survive. I want to wipe crime off the planet. So what do you want to do when you love? You're going to be what? A crew giving food. Crew giving food there.
And when I said that's too many balls, the testicles do that's one too many balls. Ooh, get one removed. That's too many balls. And yes, he comes a lot. I mean, he comes over. She knows what I'm talking about. She's met that guy.
Send over a single portion of hash browns with a side order of parsley. Oh. To the dermatitis. I asked the barman, I said, what is her name? He said, her name is Sexy Susan Broad. And let me tell you, Jack, it was as the name suggests. Very broad.
Newcastle on weekend tonight, nightlife too. And what Kovel zong wa man ti lom. Bar islar chut maya.
Sorry. Tommy. Hey, hon.